Welcome, dear listeners. Today, my topic is relating to compound interest and simple interest because it is super important topic in finance and financial management. And today we will be learning the difference of simple interest and compound interest with a very simple worked example. Okay, let's go with this. If an investor invests in a bank $5,000 at a rate of 10% per annum, what amount will he get after 3 years if he use the calculation under simple interest and compound interest? Separately, we will see this. How does it work? The simple interest calculation and compound interest. So the formula under simple interest to calculate the amount of interest is as under. Okay, here we go. We have I is equal to PIN. Okay, here the capital I denotes for amount of interest, which is basically the earned income on your investment. Okay, so the amount of interest is shown as the capital I, and P stands for the principal amount which you invest in a bank or in any financial institution, and small I denotes for rate of interest, and N stands for the number of periods. Okay, number of periods. Let's put the values in the formula and see how does it work. Here we have one small question. If an investor invests in a bank for $5,000 at a rate of 10%, so here you can see 10% is small I, as PIN is the formula, and the principal amount which is invested in the bank is 5,000, and 3 years, the number of time periods or number of periods are 3. So let's put the values in the formula. I is equal to principal 5,000, the rate of interest which is small I 10%, 10 over 100 times 3. So I'm using my calculator now. So 5,000 into 10% times 3, this will be giving $1,500. So the amount of interest which is earned under simple interest is 1,500. So if we want to calculate what is the total amount that investor will get after 3 years, the total amount is denoted as sum. S is equal to principal plus earned interest. So P plus I. Okay, that will be our sum amount or total amount. So P is we invested in the beginning 5,000. Okay, 5,000 was invested and 1,500 was earned, and now 6,500 is the total amount that investor will get after 3 years if the calculation is made under simple interest. Okay, now if the same question is solved under compound interest calculation, now the calculation will be different. Now let's solve this question with the help of compound interest formula. What amount he will get after 3 years? So the amount will be equal to sum is equal to P into 1 plus I raised to power n. That is the formula. Under this formula, P is same, principal amount, and I is rate of interest, and number of time period is n, number of periods, and the S will be representing sum of money, that will be accumulated money in addition to investment. Whatever we are getting in as interest, that will be included in this. So sum is equal to 5,000 was invested into 1 plus I is 10%, 10 over 100 raised to power 3. So 5,000 into 1.10 raised to power 3. Okay, now I'm using my calculator to calculate this value. 1.10 raised to power 3 times 5,000. So it is giving me $6,655. That is the value that investor will get after 3 years if he used compound interest. Now you can see the difference of the values. We calculated the sum amount under compound interest, which is $6,655, and the same sum amount which was calculated under simple interest was 6,500. Now the difference of the simple interest and compound interest is $1,550. Why this difference is calculated and is happening? Because in simple interest, the interest is calculated always on original investment, which is principal, and principal was 5,000. So interest is always calculated on original amount. But in compound interest, the interest is calculated on every increased value after end of each year. So it means interest on interest is calculated under compound interest. That is why there was a difference of $155 in this value. Thanks for watching this video. Keep subscribing this channel and sharing it. Thank you.